Lordstown Motors hoping to prove itself to investors today. Phil LeBeau joining us now with the details of what the company is saying. Hey, Phil.
Tyler, right now they are holding what they call Lordstown Week, or the beginning of it, at Lordstown Motors plant in northeastern Ohio. Our affiliate there is on a tour that they are giving of this plant. It was up for a few minutes, and then it went to color bars. So we'll see what we'll see from them. They're ostensibly going to be showing them some of the production being done on the Endurance pickup truck. The executive chair is also likely to update the reporters who are there on the status of the company. The Endurance pickup truck is really the key focus here. The production is supposed to start by late September. Order interest is unclear. Last week they said we have firm orders. Then they turned around 2 days later and said, no, we don't really have firm orders yet. Capital is needed to not only begin production, but then ramp up production after that. As you take a look at shares of Lordstown Motors this year, keep in mind that a number of the executives sold sizable portions of their shares in Lordstown Motors back in February. And as that report came out over the last couple of days, it once again had people saying, how solid of an investment is this if some of the executives were selling stock, a sizable portion of their holdings back in February for the first earnings report. And again, this is a company that does not have a CEO. The executive chairman was the independent director from the board of directors who is now the executive chairman of the company. And the question becomes, who will become CEO? They don't have a whole lot of time, guys, to make some decisions here.
Yeah, a lot of eyes on this company. Phil, we've also seen some insider sales at Tesla, a key executive leaving and getting and selling shares on the way out the door.
Well, Jerome Guillen, he left basically at the beginning of June. And once he left, we reached out through different people asking if he had a comment. He said he had nothing he wanted to say. But we do know that he has sold about $274 million worth of his Tesla shares shortly after leaving the company. Now, there's nothing illegal with that. He was entitled to sell those shares whenever, or he could have held on to them. But he has made the decision that he is going to sell them, and he did sell them starting on June 10th.
Shepard Smith here. Thanks for watching CNBC on YouTube.